guys, it's your girl Faith93. Thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all, and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, so today I'm doing the pop smoke braids. I'm going to be using the X-pressions 2x pre-stretched hair, and this is in the color 1B. And I got like 4 packs of this hair. It comes with like 2 bundles in it, but I only ended up using like 2 packs because I only used like 3 bundles in all. So right now you just see me parting my hair down the middle, because like the pop smoke braids, he usually has parts down the middle and like 4 big braids, but I'm going to be doing 5 just because I wanted 5. Yeah. And y'all, I did this part, like I used my mirror, I went to the bathroom and stuff, but I edited all that out. So yeah, to try to get this part as perfect as possible, you are gonna have to like look in the mirror and everything like that. So I'm just gonna be using the Shine and Jam like always when I braid my hair, to define my parts and to make my hair more manageable to braid. My hair is freshly washed and it has been stretched with just some regular pigtail braids or some plaits. So I'm trying not to use heat to stretch my hair out, so I've just been braiding my hair up to stretch it out. So I'm going to be applying the gel, and I'm going to be kind of taking out some of them baby hairs, because of course, you know, we got to layer baby hairs at the end. And I'm going to be doing the feed-in method with these braids so that it looks like it's actually my hair coming out of my scalp. And this is my little setup. I got about 8 pieces that I'm going to feed in, and then 4 extra pieces to make it longer. And even though I said I want these to like look natural, like they're coming out my scalp, like we know that these ain't natural, y'all. I am making these braids all the way down to my thigh. So y'all know I ain't grown my hair this long overnight. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So as you can see, I'm just kind of feeding in the hair, doing a feed-in braid. And now if y'all want me to, I can make a video on just a little bit more detailed on how I do my feed-in braids. Because I noticed that I don't do them like how a lot of people on YouTube do them. I don't know, my fingering and hand position is a little bit weirder, but like y'all, like this is honestly the best way that I can do my feed-in braids, and it just works for me. So let me know if y'all want a tutorial, because I'm pretty sure I'll be doing my hair differently in a few weeks, because I can't never keep no style in for like more than 3 weeks. So I am adding hair as I braid down the ends. I am having to put it in my mouth, guys, because these braids are really, really long. They are super duper long. And I'm going to show y'all just how long they are. Y'all see that? That's long. So right now I am just making another part to do my second braid. And y'all, don't worry about this little bald spot that I got right here. I know y'all see it, and y'all probably saw it in my last video. But I'll make another video on what I think is going on with my hair, because I think I know what caused that bald spot. So I'm going to try to be hiding it. That's why I parted it a little bit behind that spot. And I'm going to try to conceal it when I braid this braid right here. And on the other side, I'm going to try to conceal it. So I'm basically just doing the same thing, getting my parts right, putting the gel on, and then I'm going to start the feed-in braids once again. here I am using that comb to kind of maneuver the hair to cover up that spot. So this is as best as it's gonna get, and honestly, I'm not ashamed in my game. Yeah, I got a little bald spot, so what? We about to try to grow it back, so yeah. So I'm at the back of my hair, and y'all, the back of my hair, I just kind of have to feel for it because I can't see it when I'm braiding. But yeah, I just kind of feel for it. So my back two braids that are like in the middle, they're a little bit more messier than the rest of my braids, but it's fine because, you know, this is just a quick little style to do on myself, and overall I like the way these braids turned out. So right now I'm just feeding in this hair and just feeling for the braids. So yeah. So I finished this side of my hair and my battery was dying, y'all, so I did the other side off camera. But yeah, this is how long they are looking. So yeah, that was quick. I finally finished them all, and I'm really liking the way they look. But of course now we have to put the finishing touches on it. I'm using the Lottie Body mousse, and this is like my favorite part of doing braids. I like to put the Lottie Body mousse on and just massage it through my hair. It's so soothing to me, and it's soothing to a lot of my clients. They like it when I do this. So next I do put a little bit of spritz on my hair, and it's just gonna give it that extra hold and keep it in place. And y'all, when I say like this, like doing the mousse and the spritz really works because it's been a week, and usually with cornrows, like my hair would be fuzzy by now, but it's really not. Like my hair is still pretty sleek. And now I'm gonna add the wrap strips, and these are just the regular normal wrap strips. I get them from the beauty supply store. Love these, use these all the time on my hair and on my clients' hair, so they work really good. Alright, so after I put on all these wrap strips, I'm going to go dip my ends in some hot boiling water. And I did that off camera because I was not about to bring another coffee mug up into my room and dip these ends for y'all one by one. That was not happening. So now I am cutting off the wrap strips, and we are done with my hair. Psych! We gotta do these baby hairs, y'all. Like, we have got to lay the baby hairs. Y'all know we gotta do that. So I'm just laying down my baby hairs with my even edge lock. Do not ask me where to find this, where to buy it. They do not sell it anymore, which I'm so mad about. So yeah, you can't find this product in stores anymore, or even online. But this is the final look, y'all, and I'm so happy. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about my hair in the comment section below, and I will see you all in my next video.